Hello guys, in this video we are going to see the opposite of what we did in the last video. In the last video we converted this table into one NF form and we converted the comma separated values into their own separate rows. Now we are going to do the opposite of it. We are going to convert this into this. Now there is a function for that. So I have a table with the name hotel2 and I have data in it, and we have primary key column, room type column. These two values are repeating and these are to be grouped. So what we need to do is we can use string underscore aggregate function. This function does it for us, and we pass the separator as a second parameter. And now we need to use group by here on the first two columns, as this will reduce the number of rows for us. Now let's see. As you can see, we have converted that one NF back to what we had the data in our hotel table. So we can alias it customer, and this is how we achieve it. So this is a simple tip and trick of SQL for your interview preparation. In the next video, we are going to see some more exciting SQL tips and tricks. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this.